Guys, wagwan, what's going on? Welcome back. They here just go and chill, guys. Just leave work, you know. Pick up prodigal son.
What, the prodigal son?
Or prodigal wife. Prodigal son or prodigal wife?
Well, prodigal son are the word, no so? So it go for man or woman who fit the script.
Who fit the script? You know what I mean? Who is prodigal?
No, the guy who did leave him father's house, man. And lose all him riches,
know,
spend up all him inheritance.
As a curveball.
Huh?
You never think you actually know him?
You're bright, you even know that.
Well,
no, guys, if all time must know Bible story.
That's why you need to stop bad and going to the church.
Bad how?
Because you apparently...
You mean give it all.
Same thing, man.
But not bad.
You need to stop bad.
Anything bad for that shit.
Guys,
bad, don't it?
as we say, heart is where no.
Home is where the heart is.
Guys, we're back in Richmond Hill and we're enjoying the lovely scenery here. A lovely scene here. Very nice. But trust me, guys, our heart goes out to all of the people who are in Florida right now.
Oh God.
You know, I know it's a tough time just for all of a sudden hearing that if you are undocumented living in Florida, you will have to go. So it's like you have to light up more than me.
And basically they must say too, if anybody know or you found in them vehicle and them know if they will be charged too. So it look like it gets extremely serious. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Even the sites today, I saw it on the news, even the construction sites empty. I wonder how true
the
it
parties
is.
Too.
Yeah, empty like the whole of Florida.
Undocumented, no check and go party again.
I remember telling you something, guys. This is the main reason why we decided so we're going to do this video and come out and talk, right? We're not lick out, we are talk, wipe and lick out. Some people, may I tell you this, so me talk straight up. You have some people who come a foreign, whether in Canada or you're living in America.
Or England.
It might take a while for you sort out yourself, and persons might have said, boy, you come a foreign a waste time. And not everybody who come here and take long for sort out a waste time. Certain people come here and because of circumstances, they might not be able to sort out as quickly as others. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're wasting time. No. If you're undocumented and you're living in the US, it means that you went wrong somewhere, you gone wrong somewhere. Because you need to maintain legal status when you're in any one of the countries, right? And then you start file for yourself. But we know all the thing is some persons run off. From them get them visa, them use it as a ticket, and them run off with hope say them are going to find a better life. You know, they're going to find opportunity and sort out themselves. Some persons it work out for them in our timely manner, some persons it don't work out for them. No, we don't want it to be because of the people who come after and come waste time and make trouble, make the other people look bad. Because you have people who come here, you know, and them a mischief maker, them a trouble maker, them create the most violent crime, robbery, them come sell drugs, them do all of them sort of stuff there. And now it causes the government to start take a second, a third and a fourth look at persons who are undocumented based on data. If data is showing that these people oftentimes are found wanting or they are engaging in illegal activities, then they're going to target that group. But by virtue of them targeting that group people now, some other, we don't want to call them innocent, but some people out there who are not too bad get targeted as well, and them get caught in the trap. They get caught in the mesh because they're also undocumented, living in a first world country, and now you become a target just because of those other persons. So I don't want people just look at them and say, boy, if you're undocumented, you forgot back to Jamaica and you come waste time. Trust me, guys, I'm not sell that narrative. I know everybody, because me have family members and friends who were in the US at some point and them never fully sort out. So it would have mean that they're undocumented. You understand? Or them not straight in a foreign. And for me not straight, them a look for push it out right now. And as Russia explains, all persons who found transporting these people going to find themselves in a problem.
And you know, overall, I'm not like with you know, so me love bring out the bashing.
Well, we choose the best part of the sunny, man.
Yeah, man, you know, me like go with the bashing. But you see, Caribbean people, sometimes, them not good. Because you see, them, sometimes, they were in the same situation. You see, as soon as them get through, them wish bad for somebody else. So I'm not really, rate that none at all. You know what I mean?
Yeah, meaning you have some persons who them find themselves in the US and them get a one visa and them straighten out themselves and them get the opportunity or them create the opportunity to get married quickly so them can get them green card, and as long as them get through them look behind. Them they start looking at other persons and saying that they're wasting time.
When they were running off to the US, somebody said to them, where are you going at this age? And them vex with the person, right? They say as soon as them sort out themselves, me live to hear that same person say, what people are run come to US for? Yeah. Not there. The same person will get boss, you know, at US, you know, where it vex with somebody fit, you know, thought bad about them.
About them, older folks trying to come into
them
the US.
Same one. Turn on and I say nobody enough to try do that now because not dead.
But for be frank still, true, but sometimes I'm not ill intention, you know. It's just that sometimes when persons come overseas and realize that all that data is not gold. Yeah, guys, so we had to retreat somewhat a while ago, you know. Battery issues again.
With the cold air.
With the cold air. Outside not really cold still, guys, but you know,
the breeze,
nice and chilly. Nice and chilly. But as I was saying, guys, so persons come and them would have an idea, say, boy, it nicer, it greener on the other side, and then them realize, say, boy, you know, I prefer Jamaica, you know, Jamaica was so much nicer and so on. But sometimes when you're in foreign too long and you're overseas too long, it come like you somewhat forget why you wanted to come here and how rough it was there, back home. So now you're here in a better life, but because you're facing the challenges here, you're saying, you know what, you know, really so nice here, you know. But to be truthful, it's still better. Because if you should say, all right, let's go back to Jamaica now, you would have some reservation. So based on that, then there's more opportunity here.
Because you invest yourself here.
Because you invest yourself here.
Some people invest themselves mentally only, but them still invest themselves and don't want to go back.
They don't want to go back. And also too, enough of our life improve coming here by far. So we don't remember where we're coming from, so we tell other persons don't come. You know what I mean? So that was the main thing. And then you have another situation now where sometimes persons, them just can't put themselves in another person's shoes and can't say, boy, what's their situation?
A wicked and wicked.
And why you would have really want to come. But that will segue a bit there from the point. The point of what we are talking about is that our heart goes out to people who in Florida now and find themselves in a mess.
Run up and down. Some enough people me hear they on Greyhound.
Yes.
I try go somewhere else and this, that.
It's tough. I mean, I tell you, a lot of them, and again, you know, the country have a responsibility, you know, to regulate persons who come in and out. And they want you to come on their grounds. So if you're coming at the people in the country illegally in the first place, well, they have all the right to try and get you out. Right? But if you come and you try to get yourself in tune.
I will not even talk about who undocumented and literally try to put them life together. Can you have some people them literally make strides? It's just that them are wait on the number in the mail. But them are do everything else right.
No,
we are talking about like the time waste of them.
If you're waiting do it,
the time waste of them where it never make no sense them send them back to Jamaica because where Jamaica go do with them.
But Rashida, you can't say that the time waste of them them to go back.
And do what
waste time.
Do what down there.
But they're burdening the system. They are the reason why the people them come and say, boy, people need to leave them state. Because the state not frenzy because of illegal immigrants. They are the reason why. They are the one and the two bad apple. Whichever it is, crime, the heavy unemployment, whatever it is, we have burdened the system. They are the reason why government started to take a closer look at them. You know what I mean? So yeah, them are the problem. And
but now, they were saying that once Florida start that, then other states are going to take up the
could
same
be the
thing.
case. Could be a test case.
I don't know.
The state of Florida could be used as a guinea pig. We don't know. But this is just a reminder persons that, you know, you come and foreign and second long, don't get too comfortable. Look about your paperwork. Get yourself in the system because you never can tell what new bill can be passed tomorrow, might be passed tomorrow. You never can tell. So everything comfortable. You might hear next week that because a lot of these industries are suffering, they are unable to find workers, right? Yeah, man, don't worry about him. They might be unable to find workers, so based on that, they might pull back that bill. You understand? But don't take that as comfort and peace and safety, because next week things can change and the bill get relaxed. And you say, you know what, alright, illegal immigrants are all good now. But maybe next year there can be something that can also squeeze you, right? They might not want to send you home, but they can close you out of the society a certain way. So that's it for us still, guys. It's just a message for all of the people out there, whoever have family or if you're in a situation and you have struggle, you know, or you know people who have struggle. I have a lot of schoolmates living in Florida, whether illegal or not legal, you know, illegal or legal.
Or on the way.
Yeah, on the way, whatever it is. You know, it's tough. It's tough. You come here, you try to settle, and then you have to go back home. Some person would say, well, they should have thought about that.
Yeah, but always, you know, say them people that me can't manage, them for go and move right up.
Yeah,
you have some people like, alright, say for example, them sort out a certain, like, that segment there, them life. They must struggle some other way and I wish bad for people. Them for go and move right up.
Move right up, so.
Move right up, man.
Tough.
If you can go up.
Tough, guys. We're going to touch upon a topic here again because a big topic, guys. May I tell you, me catch bits and pieces today at work on it and I say, you know what? Acapella. We'll just come chat about the topic here.
Guys, look here. Whether you, what me that say, even when you're documented a foreign, it's not peace and safety. You have to always keep your eye open.
Yeah.
You have to remember that you flew here, you weren't born here.
Yep.
You understand? And them will put you out, CMM. Not put you out as in depot, but other things them can, you know, but me that say no. Like in the workforce or so, you can have other red tapes and challenges. So today for me, tomorrow for somebody else. So don't think of like just wish bad for people overall, because remember say you're there come. Karma. Remember what you put in the atmosphere is what you get out. So keep your heart, your mind and everything clean and not dirty. Because
the devil's strong to you now, you have to try.
You have to try. Anything you wish good for yourself, wish that also for others. Them say if you can't do no good, don't do no bad. That means say if you don't like somebody, don't wish bad for them, just leave them alone.
Yeah, man.
Close them out, ignore them. You understand? Don't wish bad. Me don't want to get up every day and my heart heavy and I think bad about people. That's wrong, no sir. Heart heavy.
Oh, yeah, sweet a joke. You have some person when them wish and do bad, them heart heavy, you know. Them actually feel happy. It make them sleep good at night. Me can tell you that.
Yeah, man. Me know enough people like that. We are suffer right now. Everything them put them hands on.
Of course.
I feel because their heart wicked.
But at the time when them do it, Rashida, it's pleasing to them whatever they are doing, and there's no one that can come and tell them, say, boy, what you're doing is wrong. I hate make them sleep good at night. Trust me.
Guys, I know say me have to drop in a little bit. I know say one time this man tell me say wish bad for me and tell me say him wish say me lose my house and my husband, somebody like that. And this man, children can't find a proper husband. If they find a husband, a papers them a look. Me just show you them not have them life started out. Yeah man, me have to talk.
You cannot listen you know and know.
Yes. So you must wish bad for other people kids and just wish good for you alone.
And
because
your
kids. You must love other people, children too. And likewise, sometimes the blessing of God not come upon you. You are with all your blessing because your heart dirty. Yeah, you know, me always suspect this particular person. Me say people, it come out of them mouth one day say they hope say me lose my house. You can imagine that? Wicked. This person.
When them start up for now.
So that's why me personally can say me know of people so them heart stay so. I know you have enough Caribbean people with them heart stay so. I remember guys, sometimes where
people all over the world.
But me have to talk about who me used to.
People, they are just different approach. Listen, what I'm going to say this.
Me don't know the next approach.
Can you just say this, please? Can you say this, please? There are different approaches out there towards certain action. Right? We might be a little bit more forward as Caribbean people, right? We might be a little bit more aggressive, right? We are also Caribbean people, so we are able to see our bad deeds easier because we are from that culture, so we know what's going on. But there are also other cultures, Rashida, that they are doing the same thing that you're talking about the Caribbean people is doing, but they have a different approach. They have a different style. So when you cuss Caribbean people, it's because we are from the Caribbean, so we know our style. And on top of that, we are also forward and we are aggressive. So it's easier to see or bad habits or bad traits. But the other societies also have it. Them just do it in a different way.
That's true.
You understand where I come from?
But there's a universal thing called energy, guys. And some people can feel them energy from thousands of miles away.
Of course.
Literally. I'm telling you. And this may have to end the video with that. If you find yourself in another situation where you feel angered by somebody's success, you need to go read the Psalms, may I tell you. Because you wouldn't like really and truly say that person is so chosen and blessed by God, regardless of what you are pray bad for happen to them, him end up turn it around on you.
For real.
Literally, like what you wish for somebody, it can end up turn on right on you in a different way. So you have to be very careful, especially when you have kids. You don't. It's basically where you plant or where you sow, you definitely are gonna reap, and where you feed in the environment or in the atmosphere, that's where you're going to get back the result. You understand? So right now for me, 2023 and beyond, me just a pray good heart, success, be happy for people. If me really can't stand you, stay far from me and pray about it, because I know it's not a good thing, but not fear bad blood, bad energy, bad mind, none of them something there. Me don't want that near me. None of them something. I just want to be a better person. I really want to leave a mark for my son and any other children I must have. Me want that. Me don't want to have goodness, because enough of we are live off of the goodness of our grandparents, with great grandparents, and the prayer where them pray for we and the good what them do for people. Some of we, some saltness I follow away because we great grandmother, we grandmother have some ancestors who don't know about do people evilness, wickedness, and sometimes some of the situations we're in, it causes us in it. So sometimes even in the morning when I pray over my son, I pray say anything when I do unknowingly, or anybody in my generation will do nothing wicked to nobody, and me no know about it, for God pardon me, because me no know about it, and I am not like that. If you find yourself go down a certain path, catch up on yourself for me. Yeah guys, so as me I say, you have to just catch up on yourself. If you find yourself go down the wrong path, you have to catch up on yourself, because even as adults now, if you're even in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, something must happen to you in your adulthood will really shake you up and make you say, you know, like you literally have to try to be a good person. Something must shake you up where you say.
Some people are dead.
Some things, sometimes some people you go through some years of be a hardship, and you say, Father God, if you ever make me see the light of day again, me I go do this and whatever. Remember those times when you try to be evil to somebody. Remember them times there. I remember saying, I want to walk back that road. You know what I mean? So if you even love yourself, not even try harbor them thoughts and things in your mind. And who are we for basically say where somebody deserving of? You know what them pray to God about? Sometimes some things where some of we even jealous of somebody about is something where them a pray to God about, you know.
For 10 years.
Really, and God all off on it, you know. And you just a see it, but because in your eyes the person is nobody. Quote unquote nobody. If you say them don't deserving of whatever. A prayer with them praying and say, you know what that now? Somebody blessing and manifest and you are coming at the midnight, God will strike you. Don't make God strike you because he might bless somebody and you're trying to hinder.
Me, I get covered. Yo,
because you're hinder. Because if the person break through, sometimes you don't know if what happened for somebody and then break through and then pray about and fast about, you know. And really make a promise to God. Say, God, if you make this come true for me, me gonna give me life. If you make this come true for me, me gonna do this. If you don't know, so who are you for challenge God? You don't know if I feel movement in the person's life. Where you did there if that person was struggling, or when them was struggling, or if them for struggle after that. Where you there? So based on that, if you have your blessing, bask in it. And if by extension you see the person with something where you never think about for pray about before, you can go to God in prayer, just go work for it. Because the only time when I see people really in that state of mind and feel like them grudgeful or so is normally when them think them don't have the ability to do it. Germany always talk it.
Yeah,
once you have the ability to achieve, and it starts with your mind. So once you have the ability to achieve, you don't need...
You're not threatened by nothing around you.
No.
The confidence where you have, you know, so if that person do it, you can do it too. And you're sure that you have that talent for the great things.
Exactly.
So you don't have any need to see somebody with a talent or a gift or anything and feel somewhat threatened or jealous if you trust in your own abilities. Exactly. A lot of people you see out there, they appear strong, but trust me, man, them weak inside. Because as soon as something good happen for somebody, then call up and then curl up.
True,
that
man.
means that you want to hear thing them going to happen more good. You know what I mean? If you trust that tomorrow you're there, you're supposed to just, when good things happen to people, especially when close to me, when them far away, I just look on it, but it not seem practical and seem real. But if I have a friend, I may seem really and make strides, I say so close to me and my friend do it, me can do it too. It's like a light in the tunnel. It's like a moment of encouragement when we see my friend around me achieve. Some people, them see achieve and them just start fret and then call up. Some people start...
I never reach nowhere.
Trust me, guys. And
it's just, you just is a picture frame sometimes and them just...
I tell you something, because when I met this lengthy, but every man born with a talent and a skill is what you do with it. Just remember me tell you that. Some people throw away for them talent and for them skill.
Or them too busy to watch other people own, so them not realize what theirs are.
So just remember, anytime you see a person around here achieve, just start take the time out to look at what you can do. You know what I mean?
Man.
So anyway, guys, you don't know, while you have to hold the video, you know, if you follow Rashi, you should run with it, go straight.
Yeah, but guys, me have to give you a power talk, you know, because you see, especially my people, them.
Straight. Are you ready to the video? Are you ready to the video here?
What I know say,
guys,
when I ride
tell me if you don't want to see Rashi edit a video, because you pressure me now, you know, man.
Yeah, man, when ride and die for Rashi or whatever, just go and big up on yourself, keep the faith, and just, you know, look on the bigger picture.
Yeah, man.
Be motivated. I hope this really motivates you.
For real.
And if not, like a bad vibes coming in your heart or so, just dash it to and move on. You have to believe in yourself and just look on the bigger picture. Not pay naysayers no mind, not pay fool people no mind, not pay what talk bad about you. Just excel. Excel. Every morning I get up, I just think about that. I just keep a positive mind. Because guys, let me tell you this. I don't know who can attest to this, but them always say it foreign and a better rose, and it's no better rose for true. Mentally, it can put a strain on you when you're here. Yeah, people look on and say them want to come. I think everybody should have the opportunity to come, that them know what it is like. But who is here can attest to it. It's mentally challenging sometimes, and you have to really talk to yourself and just keep yourself focused. Say, yeah, this is what me about, this is what me I do, regardless of who. And it's also when you're on your immigration journey too, me have to add in this. It's like everybody eyes zoom in on you, literally. So even who not up on YouTube, somebody who knows say you leave from Jamaica from your workplace and come a foreign, them a watch you so like ark. Some people them all sit down literally and wait for hear if them can hear some bad news. You understand? And that is for your next video too. Why some people even come a foreign and in a hiding. You understand? But stay blessed up, guys. I'll continue this in another video. And
people in Florida.
Yeah.
Rough.
Go and hold it. And if you can't help nobody, if you in a Florida and you're straight and you can't help nobody there, see if you can lend
some people talk on social media, or some people for go and then forget deported and all them things. The guys, you know what I mean? I don't subscribe to them thing there. None at all. Everybody deserve a chance. But know some people go and waste some time and so on. But some people also want to waste some time and them will get judged with the same measuring stick. They will be labeled as a person who wastes them time just because them did a 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, and 5 year. I mean, I agree with that.
And if it is that it's just for Florida, sometimes the shift is for a good reason. If you're in Florida, you have to move. Sometimes the shift is for the greater good.
But still fight and see what you can do.
Fight and see if you can do. But sometimes you see some bad things that may happen for better happen.
Yeah, man, happen for a reason.
Right. So
anyway, guys, big up on yourself. If you don't know, Rashi and Wally there here, you know.
And if you haven't pressed that like button, press it. But press it 1 time. Some people press it 2 times and
6 times.
And just unlike my video. Please, I'm begging you, press it, and when it turns dark, that's when you really like the video. So press the like button.
You just see something that just throw you off, you know.
Come on, say you trouble me. Yeah, so press the like button, guys, and I hope you're having a productive week and just everything that is good. Bless up. I love you all. And drop a comment also in the comment section and let me know all this rambling and all of these things. Let me know what you really think. Give me your 2 cents on it. No, so? So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.
We're out. Big up. Guys, then roll out. Everybody roll out this spring. No joke going on here by the lakeside. See
that's a kite.
Man, shall come in if you know what that is.